Pakistan. IMF say bailout talks make development. Islamabad. Key progress has been made in talks on the revival of Pakistan's International Monetary Fund bailout program, each aspect stated on Wednesday, with Islamabad expecting the lender to increase the scale and period of the 39-month, $6 billion facility. The statements got here as Pakistan's financial system teeters getting ready to a financial crisis, with foreign exchange reserves drying up rapid and the Pakistani rupee at file lows in opposition to the US dollar as uncertainty surrounded the IMF program. Discussions between the IMF personnel and the government on rules to strengthen macroeconomic balance inside the coming 12 months continue, and vital progress has been made over the FY23 finances. Esther Perez Ruiz, the IMF's resident consultant in Islamabad, advised. Pakistan unveiled a 9.5 trillion rupee $47 billion finances for 202,223 this month aimed toward tight economic consolidation in a bid to convince the IMF to restart much-needed bailout bills. However, the lender later stated extra measures had been needed to deliver Pakistan's budget in line with the important thing targets of the IMF program. The two facets held talks on Tuesday night time and agreed on the budget and monetary measures but still want to agree on a fixed of economic objectives, Finance Minister Miftah Ismail stated. He did no longer expect any hiccups inside the ultimate talks and predicted an preliminary memorandum on macroeconomic and financial objectives after which an legitimate agreement. Details of the agreement have been now not at once available to. I am additionally expecting that the period of the program could be prolonged by a year and the amount of mortgage might be augmented, he told, adding that the IMF had not devoted to it but based on talks he expected it to come back through. Pakistan had sought an boom inside the size and period of the program whilst Ismail met with IMF officials in Washington in April. Pakistan entered the IMF program in 2019, however best half of the price range have been disbursed to this point as Islamabad has struggled to maintain objectives on the right track. The last disbursement changed into in February and the subsequent tranche become to comply with an assessment in March. However, the government of ousted top minister Imran Khan introduced steeply priced fuel charge caps which threw economic goals and the program off course. Pakistan's new authorities has eliminated the rate caps, with gasoline charges going up the pump by up to 70% in a remember of 3 weeks.